Hi, welcome to Rvend's channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install a coin changer in one of the AM series. For today's exercise I'm going to use the MEI Rvend, the latest version of the MEI coin changer. The first thing that we have to do before installing a coin changer is to turn the machine off. To turn the machine off, we can locate a button. This is the circuit breaker down here. So we press the button and then the machine turns off. Now we grab the coin changer. We use a Phillips head screwdriver and then undo the screws. Now to secure the coin changer, we can remove the top part by lifting this little clip. Then the top part opens and we can visualize where the screws go. And then with the screwdriver, we can just tighten it up a little bit. Remember, there are 3 screws, so there will be another screw just here at the bottom. Once our coin changer is installed, we can proceed to turn the machine back on. To enter to the menu and to enable the fill-in, we have to press the motherboard button, which is located just at the back of this front plate. We put our finger through the hole and press the blue button. At the front of the machine, on the screen, we have the menu button. We can press enter with hash, and our first option shown there is the fill coins option. We can now take the coins and start feeding them through the hole. The machine will recognize the value of the coin and then sort it to its current tube. Once you finish with that, you can simply close the door and the machine will be ready to go.